Welcome to Mexico. On Saturday, this track will host the latest round of the ABB Formula E Championship. But we're here to celebrate the launch of the brand new Jaguar I-PACE with a very special challenge, showing that innovating from race to road has placed Jaguar at the forefront of the EV revolution. And here it is, the I-PACE, all-electric, all-wheel drive, and 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. So, what of its challenger? We've brought along a car from an established player in the EV market. But does it have what it takes to beat the Jaguar I-PACE in our head-to-head challenge? Driving the I-PACE is Panasonic Jaguar Racing's Kiwi Formula E star, Mitch Evans. In the Tesla is Brazilian Indy 500 winner and former IndyCar champ, Tony Kanaan. The challenge is very simple. From a standing start, the drivers have to reach 60 miles per hour as fast as possible, and then brake to a standstill. The one covering the shortest distance wins. Capiche?
I got it.
Who's going to win?
The I-PACE is lighter, dead roll. I've got this.
Come on then, enough of the talking. Get in the cars. So the pressure is on. Can the I-PACE become the EV to beat?
This thing is a beast. You got zero chance.
Bring it on. Good stuff. This is quite a walk. Mate, I smashed it.
That is the bigger brother to the first Model X. It's the 100D. It's more powerful than the 75D, but will it be quick enough to beat the I-PACE? Let's find out.
Let's do this!
Yes.
So 2 out of 2, Jaguar have won it by a similar distance again. You're pretty smug, and rightly so. How did it feel?
Yeah, it was great. The response was instant and also pulled up really well.
Surprised?
Yes, I thought I had him, but 2 out of 2, I give up.
Proof then that Jaguar are really set to shake up the EV revolution. I think we need to pop into Mexico City and sample a few sights and delights.
I agree. Dinner, and he's buying it.
Done. Come on
Let's
then.
go.